Okay, we got it all right. If you know you have problem with it, you go to YouTube, you go and rewatch it again, okay? Now, Mommy Rudy, go and relax so that you can call people for quiz in the evening. Hmm? Don't call beginners, call the old people. Ṣé ọmọ yìí toilet ni àbí èwo? Ó fi ṣe máa ń rún omi sí báyìí. Ó lè fẹ́ wá. Ó fẹ́ wá bẹ́yìn lẹ ṣe. They don't kill me for here. They don't buy me for here. Now, love you all. Old people, make una go. Una know say una sabi am. Now, we don't do strada reach Bankine. I'll do Bankina for you. Make I see whether they dey short. I'll do Bashapiedi for you. And Attraversamento Pedonale, okay, for you. We'll do this 3. This Isola the Traffico, we'll do it another time, okay? Now, we dey for Bankina. Oh, we need the station box. This is na 20% remain. Nígbà rí pé ó ti fẹ́ kú màá sáré lọ wá solution. Bankina, let me show you. You're welcome, Daddy. You're welcome. You're welcome. We want to talk about this our brother we be neighbor to Karejata, okay? We are talking. Bá mi lọ mú, okay, tablet ni mo fẹ́ gbé fún yín gan pé kẹ́ wo YouTube lórí ẹ̀. Later. No. Mo ti ní no. Wọ́n ti mu juice. Wọ́n ti mu Coke àbí Fanta dem. Now, this is Bankina, na neighbor to Karejata. You see Karejata here. Na husband be this, na wife be this, na their neighbor be this. Okay, Bankina. This Bankina na him we wan talk about. Panchina, la panchina, dice panchina, è una parte della strada. It is part of family of road. Posta al di fuori. They say they put am for outside della carreggiata, outside of the carriageway. Quindi, which is situata, it is situated, oltre, after la linea bianca continua, the white continuous line. You see am? È situata oltre la linea bianca continua. This is the linea bianca continua, and it is oltre, outside the white continuous line. Okay? Di margine della carreggiata, of the margine. Margine means edge. Edge of the carriageway. This is carriageway now, carreggiata. This is the edge, the margine, the edge of the road. Okay? Non consente. It does not allow the norma by law. Norma means law. Il transito. It does not allow the transit of ai veicoli, for vehicles to transit on top. E quindi, and also neanche, not even, la sosta, parking. You no fit park for there. Okay? This Bankina, you no fit go park your vehicle for this Bankina side. You no fit transit, your tire must not touch this place. You know why? Because sometimes pedoni dey pass this place. Person wey dey take leg waka, wey no get car like you and that person now no fit come dey drag road. Okay? Let's go to the quiz. It's very, very, very short and cheap. I don't carry this thing comot before they go put a. We only have 7 questions on Bankina. Now, let's come up. Daddy, okay? My son, you have to get this one, eh? Now reading na be your issue now. But don't worry, small. Daddy, okay? Oh, yeah, do this one.
Okay, la banquina non consented the normal the transited vehicle. Vero. La banquina no.
It does not allow
Allow. Does
by
not allow the
law.
transit of a vehicle.
By law. This is law,
Okay.
normal.
Normal.
It does not allow transit of vehicle, a very. Mommy Regina.
Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon, mommy.
La banchina è riservata a veicoli lenti nella strada in salita. Nella strada salita. Passo.
He said Bankina is reserved. He said Bankina is reserved to vehicles wey dey slow on a road wey be hill, wey be say dem dey go up in Salita. Okay? È falso.
Yes, ma. Falso.
You know say they say vehicle no fit start. Please mute your son or your daughter now. Go put for sale. Okay, he said they reserve this area for parking of vehicles or for vehicles wey dey lengthy, wey dey slow. They say they reserve am for vehicle wey dey slow. Fast, so any vehicle fit pass this place. Fast, okay.
You put your place share with that thing now.
Oya, Crat Bobby, do this one. Because they will always quarrel. That's why I did not give them the next weeks.
Sulle macchine la sosta dei veicoli è consentita per un maggiore di 5 ore. No, falso.
Sulle panchine la sosta, you see, and they say they fit park. Vehicles fit park. They allow vehicles to park for maximum of 5 hours. Okay? That God, they say me talk loud. You see this man? This man and his wife Bobby na 5 and 6. I don't drop you, mommy queen. We know how make you come the judge case for here.
Ok, sulla banchina la sosta di veicolo è consente per uno massimo di 5 ore. Falso.
No, they don't do this one now. Wetin happen? You want see person question? This one na your own.
Ok, sulla banchina è parte della strada, posto fuori. Ok, vero.
He say na outside of the carriageway e dey still. Bravo. Chi baby.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, mommy.
La banchina è parte.
Èrè ni kó jókòó, sis tí kò lè correct àbúrò ẹ̀, sis tí kò lè love àbúrò ẹ̀, sis tí kò lè dúró láì ṣe pé ó máa complain nípa àbúrò ẹ̀.
Ascoltami quando parlo.
Ha insegnato lei. Punto basta. Mommy Chi baby, make una no vex. Na make me talk say we never start class now.
La banchina è parte della carreggiata destinata alla sosta di veicoli. Falso.
No be where they do for parking of vehicles.
Cars.
Go to your house. So make I go sell my children. No problem. Come join class. Make I see you. Okay, mommy love.
La banchina è parte della strada situata oltre la linea bianca continua di margine della carreggiata. The banchina is part of the... Vero, ma?
No be say you dey follow comment section. I say when I'm reading it, you follow me. See wetin we dey read for here. Make I show you wetin you dey read. Because I read it, okay, mommy? I read it with you. So if you no come concentrate, you see, è una parte della strada posto al di fuori della carreggiata. Okay?
Okay, ma.
You see am?
Did you know you can own more?
Before they go come tell me say na this thing I dey do. All these useless people. They no go leave my life alone. Okay, na vero. Now, mommy Tommy sing. Do this one, ma. Mommy Tommy sing.
Ma,
Oh yeah, now.
la máquina divide la carreggiata in due cose. Falso.
Because you know why? If they tell you say this your neighbor, he divide your family into two. How can your neighbor divide your family into two? Your neighbor cannot come to your house anyhow. No be even for this obodo oyinbo.
Yes.
You understand? Okay. That is what makes it
Falso.
false. You see how we got it all. So if I'm reading, you concentrate on what I'm reading so that when we get to this thing, we can pass it. Marciapiedi. Marciapiedi is where you and your daughter and your husband and your wife, you know, and your son, you use your leg to march so that you will not go and join vehicles on the road. See am, this is marciapiedi. You see am? I want to check something. You see say na main road be this. You see where this person take leg waka na marciapiedi. You no go join where car dey pass, okay? Na where you dey pass for your normal house na im be marciapiedi, okay? Now e say marciapiedi. Marciapiedi è una parte della strada. Marciapiedi is part of family of strada, okay, of road. Al di fuori della carreggiata. It is outside the carriageway. It is neighbor to carriageway. Rialzata, the one that is raised. Or delimitata, or the one wey be say dem no raise am, e dey on the same level with the road, but they use white line to take, they use one, you know, paint to take give you sign, say this one na marciapiedi, you understand? In altro modo, the one that is they signal them in another way. È riservata a pedoni, it is reserved for people wey dey take leg waka. Consente, it allow la sosta, it allow vehicles to park. The veicoli, it allows vehicles to park solo in presenza, only in presence the apposite strisce di parcheggio. Only in the presence of parking lines. See am. This is Machapied now. See line for parking. Okay, any of this blue parking space, they come. See this man. This man now, Mr. Code be this. See Mr. Code. You see am for Machapiedi. See apposite street di parquejo. You see am, this is parking space and this is Machapiedi. He say it allow people to park except they do parking space, parking lines, street di parquejo. Okay. So if there is no street di parquejo, you cannot park there. Non è vero, it is not true. Che è riservato, that it is reserved ai pedoni for people wey dey take leg waka e ai veicoli and people wey and vehicle in sosta wey wan park. They no leave Machapiedi for people wey dey take leg waka and vehicles. Only person wey dey take leg waka. Qualora non si è rialzato, the one that is not raised. Any Machapiedi wey dey no raise, na be say na only people wey dey take leg waka and vehicles dem do am for a fast, okay? Or che è consentita, or that it allows la sosta dei ciclomotori. Make ciclomotori come park for there, for Machapiedi. How? A fast, okay? It is only meant for person wey dey take leg waka. They come, they don't start with their publicità. So Machapiedi has only 8 questions. Your seniors, them, they don't go because I don't teach them all these ones. That's why you can see that we've reduced. Now only beginners they here or senior will be say you just want refreshing memory. Okay, no fear because of the reduction of the viewers. It's because your seniors, then they don't go. Love, do this one.
Machapiedi è una parte della strada riservata anche alle biciclette. Fasuma.
It's not reserved for bicycles. Show me, see, mommy.
Machapiedi.
It's a good boy, senior, you did here.
Machapiedi consente la sosta del veicolo in presenza di opposite strisce di parcheggio, è vero.
My phone.
Mommy, tell me, see, who teach you?
Now you.
You see, if we read it together, if you get to motor for the quiz section, you know go fumble. Okay, apposite strisce di parcheggio.
You explain this one now. You explain well, so that's why.
Brava, brava. I love students with this. Fat Bobby. Oh yeah, do this one.
Yes, ma'am. Masha.
Rita Joya, don't call you again today. Rita, ciao Bella.
Ciao, Carigata.
Buongiorno a tutti.
E basta.
Passo, ma.
Now, bravo. We say Machapiedi is part of Carreggiata. Falso. Bravo. Part C.
Machapiedi
Yeboah, mute.
Machapiedi è una parte della strada. Oh my God, I not see that this thing well. Rialzata.
Okay. Rialzata means raised. You know, say there are some Machapiedi where they go put cement, they go raise them.
Yes.
Your eye pass normal road. And there are some Machapiedi where we say you go there on the same level with normal road. Capiche? Now wait till they talk with that.
Okay. o dilimitata in altro modo riservata e perdoni. È vero.
Yesuba, è vero, non facile. Se marciapiedi è una parte della strada rialzata o delimitata in altro modo, riservata ai pedoni. Vero. It's either they raise it or it's on the same level with the ground, but they give it another sign. In another, the design is in another way, and it's also reserved for people that.
Yes,
Okay, that question answered. Okay, Regina Gold.
I marciapiedi è una parte della strada. La di fuori della carreggiata, destinata alle circolazione della pedone. Vero.
Brava. Yeboah. No. Dopo. Yeboah. Yeboah vida. She don't go do another thing, baby. Rita Gioia.
Tocca a me?
Sì.
Ah, scusa, Rita mi chiamo.
Sì, Rita Gioia, no?
Grazie. Il marciapiede è riservato ai pedoni e ai veicoli, falso.
Ok, ma io ho pronunciato bene il tuo nome? Rita Gioia.
Bravissima.
Ecco, grazie. Ok. È falso.
Ho detto falso, sì.
Brava. Yeboah vida.
Il marciapiede è un parte di strada.
Parte
di strada.
Della strada.
Dove di norma di
è consentita.
La sosta di cicli motori. Falso. Grazie mille.
By law, they say it's allowed that ciclomotori can pass marciapiedi. È falso, okay, mama? Oh yeah, do this last one. Yeboah.
Il marciapiedi di un è un parte di strada riservata di norma a piedi.
Ai pedoni.
Perdoni, vero. Grazie mille.
We don't try. Yeah, let's go to another one. Let's go and read attraversamento pedonale. Attraversamento means to cross. Attraversare, attraversa, trasversa, traversare. No, sì, brava. Okay, Senator Mike, come up. Senator Mike, send request so that you can come up. You say you have question. Senator Mike, I don't send you request. Okay, ask the question there if you dey shame to come up. Some people too dey shame. I don't accept you since now. I send you request since. I don't want noise. You go have started again.
Mama, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir. Yes, sir.
Well done, ma. I beg, you get wetin I be wan ask you quick one, I beg. You say you get private classes.
Yes, sir.
Like the little, like before I be there with you before, I just do one or two before I can come back again. Like the little way I get some questions when I be one ask, like some of the ones when they come up were like really bit difficult for them. Not everybody they sabi they read this Italian stuff and all
Yes,
that.
sir.
So I was thinking maybe for your own private classes, because in so they take the read them, or they get has a I get you're not supposed to review everything on I be for your own private classes. Whether they get high, because now we get the slow learners, we get the fast learners. Like the slow learners now, how you fit cope with them for your own private
No,
classes.
there is one woman that is here. She cannot read at all. Okay, Daddy.
Okay.
So I told her the class is free. Why did I say it is free? Is that I like her confidence. She come up, she cannot read, but she's still here. If she take it serious, the class is free for her, so she can be able to groom herself.
Isoko boy, no worry. I will come class. Don't worry. I just question I throw you.
Wait, sir. Don't mind comment section for now. Okay. Let me say what I said. So it's free for her so that she can groom herself. Then the next class, when she gets to some point, she will see that she have, she don't graduate to some level. Then people who know sabi well, then they read by themselves for my class. Okay, everybody has to read themselves. Okay, when they read, now so they do for my class. Anybody who don't do class for my place before, where they don't pay, and the one when they do free. Okay, when they do free and when I was doing it with money, you must read it by yourself. You must answer the question by yourself. The only thing I know can they do be say to explain it, because nobody everybody get power to explain for my class. But I'm doing it here to wake people's brain. Okay, when you come to the class, you read it by yourself and you answer the question by yourself. Okay, I take time to teach people. Where some people are doing it 3 months class and they do it 6 months. Okay.
Now even
I take it one by one.
Yeah, even that one not be for the most of the duration. That one not be this thing, because even me, I not be say I don't get already, and I allow me to pursue. The level no pass. Say the level when I see for there is that for the ones that your own when I come up when I dey observe. When I dey observe now, based on say as they very stressed for people to read them, I dare me the reason come, because like now, if person you don't say the person know that question be say come up when that girl be fail am. When be this vietator when be say this autogram no fit surpass the small car. When we say it's supposed to be 3.5, he can't make trick. He can't say na 3. He can't stop. You can't go to extent. You can't explain and say like person when we say it's supposed to be from 35. You remember that question just now. So when they want to deceive now, they can't say 3. Even me still that question, no. 3. I don't even consider saying na 3.5. You know.
That is why in my own class, let me explain something to you. In my own class, 3 times a week is for learning. The other days of the week is for quiz. Okay, Daddy Senator?
Yeah, they hear you.
3 times a week is for learning. My own class is slow and steady win the race. My own class, at the end of the class, you would have been better in Italian language. You would have been better in the reading. Even though after you finish my class, if you want to continue your schooling in this Italo, you fit. Because there are some words where Italo go dey talk now. You know go become strange to your hearing anymore. That is why I take my time. Okay?
That is true.
I not just they pick quiz with people. I not just they pick quiz, they explain, they pick quiz, they just talk.
No. The way now my first time I'm coming to your video today. Now today I just come up. I just is true on Twitter. Now I say you now I just can't get interest. Now I just enjoy that time.
Okay,
and the way you did explain now, you take your time.
The way I'm explaining, do you think it's not good or what?
The way you did explain now, you take your time and and make sure so everybody understand that. Even the way you explain that.
That's what I do in my personal class too. You know why I'm collecting money now? Before I was doing it free. But people know they respect free things.
No.
If you are reading it to them, they're going to do something else.
That's true. I
At
know
the end of the day, come
that
Mama, abeg, Mama, go back now.
that
Abeg, do this
aspect,
now.
that
So that's why I
aspect.
said I have to pay. You have to pay money because when you pay, your mind, your soul, your body,
That
everything
is
will
true.
be there.
That is true. Like that aspect when we say you sell for money, monetary aspect. Even if you go some stazione, when we say they put toilet, if the toilet there for free, that place they go mess them up. Now me they say at
Yes.
least make you drop if now €1,
For people
150
wey go
cents.
clean am, yes.
Now it be
Yes.
this because you when we say you need to buy water into sub throat. Now normal. You they do
That's
subscription,
it.
not mean they subscribe for you.
Yes.
Now you take your time to bring out. Now time you take bring all those this thing
Okay,
quiz
so
come
now
out.
the
Don't be saying
truck,
they explain now.
yes, sir. So the truck lesson wey they do alpha. But the question almost the same with these questions.
Now I be
now.
waiting make me join you. No, don't worry. I did on that comment section. We did together. I did on that comment section.
But you dey do quiz for the truck, oh Nabi.
Mama,
But it's almost the same with this
it's
one.
almost
now.
the same thing, but you know it's here. I don't lie you.
Just write me now on WhatsApp.
No matter. I go DM you.
DM
But
me.
I did on comment section for you now. Maybe
Okay, sir. My number be that.
No matter.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Thank you. God bless you. More grace.
Yes, sir. No problem, sir. Now, attraversamento pedonale. Attraversamento is to cross for people where they take leg waka. Now still zebra crossing, okay? Now still zebra crossing. So this is attraversamento pedonale and ciclabile. This is for human being where they take leg waka. This is for bicycle. I think you can see the logo of a bicycle on the floor. See am. See logo of bicycle. See logo of human being that is using leg to walk. Okay. So this is zebra crossing. È una parte della carreggiata. It is on top of the carriageway. Okay? You see am? On top, car go come, e go do vuvu. You know say car dey pass am on top because it's up on top of the carriageway. They will ask you on quiz that attraversamento pedonale vieta il transito dei veicoli. È falso. Because now on top of the carriageway dey. Okay? You know, say if you want cross, car go wait you. You go cross. After you cross finish, the car go dey go. Okay? It's part of the carriageway. E quindi della strada is also part of the road. Segnalata, then signal am, then sign am with con strisce bianche, with a white line, parallele, strisce pedonali. This white strisce bianche, all this white parallel line, now they talk, now they take design the attraversamento pedonale, okay? In which the vehicles devono, they must dare la precedenza, they must give right of way. Precedenza means right of way. Ai pedoni, for people where they take leg waka, che attraversano, that are crossing, su di essa, on top of it, su, on di essa, on top of it, okay? È vietata, on top of this, our brother will be attraversamento pedonale, will be zebra crossing. È vietata, it is forbidden for your car to go and ferma or sosta. Okay, comfort zone. Wait, sir, I'll bring you up. I no get 10 hand. Now one hand that they take, you see, I dey point everything what they do. Calm down, you go come up. Su di essa è vietata la fermata e quindi anche la sosta. You cannot stop. Hey, my friend be this, how you dey? You can't enter motor. No, you can't do it. Anche la sosta, you can't even park and say you want to go and buy something and you leave your car on top of it. If they drag your car away, you will go and use money to collect your car, okay? The vehicle, your vehicles. Okay? Now bring people up. Don't worry, if I never bring you up, calm down. Love, I dey do private class, okay? If you want to join our private class, write me on WhatsApp. Then you can join. Write me on WhatsApp. I sent my WhatsApp number more than 1 million times, but some people are newly joining, so they've not seen it. Regina, excuse me. Regina, go though. You send request. Be careful when they bring it. You don't unmute again. Yes. I don't mute you, they unmute.
No.
I dey mute you, they unmute. Be like now your pikin they do that thing. I don't mute am 3 times, still they unmute. Now be saying na pikin they do am. My battery remain 9%. If I no come up for here, now be say na go just see everywhere don lock. I'm not sure. Say okay, attraversamento pedonale get. Sonia, mommy, welcome, ma. I need to charge my phone.
Temo è una truffa.
Adesso perché mi fate arrabbiare?
It's not only Faronke, it's you. You.
Give me the camera.
Remove that charger this thing for me and plug the fan to the. Now let us do quiz. Yeboah, your turn, mama. Eli, bring that extension box for me, please. Because the charger, the battery is almost low. Yeboah. Oh yeah, do this one. May for no off, my battery is low. Una dey hear me? Yeboah, na to drop her. Yeboah vida, mama. Okay, maybe she's doing something else. Rita Joya.
Ci sono.
Sì, brava. Fai questo.
Ma non si può mettere l'audio?
L'attraversamento pedonale è posto al di fuori della carreggiata ed è destinato al transito dei pedoni.
Vero.
L'attraversamento pedonale è posto al di fuori della carreggiata ed è destinato al transito dei pedoni.
Vero.
È vero, questo è vero. È posto al di fuori.
Al di fuori del... Ho detto falso.
No, non hai detto falso, hai detto vero.
Prima avevo detto falso.
Ecco perché lascio le persone a leggere, così capiscono quello che hanno letto.
Ho capito.
Eccola.
Allora, l'attraversamento pedonale non si vede tutta la scrittura perché ci sono le figure. Brava, così sì. L'attraversamento pedonale è posto al di fuori delle carreggiate ed è destinata al transito dei pedoni. Falso.
Quindi non è fuori dalla carreggiata,
Brava.
sta dentro la carreggiata, in mezzo. Ok, fa parte della carreggiata, sì.
Sì.
Ok, Yeboah, are you there?
Attraversamento pedonale è
No, un'altra persona.
Ah, fai una a testa?
Sì, una a testa, perché sono
Ok, scusami.
Yeboah, not to drop you. Yeboah. Tomisi, Mama, do. I think I dropped this to my blessing. She's very busy.
L'attraversamento pedonale è una parte della strada separata dalla carreggiata mediante una striscia già Falso.
No striscia gialla, because my striscia bianca, but it's not even separata, ok?
Sì.
Brava.
E tu?
Love.
Ma attraversamento pedonale non fa parte dalla carreggiata. It's not part of the carriageway. Falso, ma.
Brava. Love, giù. Mommy tu mi ti porto giù e Rita Gioia ti mando giù. Una persona e vanno giù e poi possono venire un'altra persona. Ecco come facciamo. Eccola, love.
Ok, ma attraversamento pedonale è una parte della carreggiata solo quale è vietata la fermata di veicoli. It's not part of the carriageway on which it's forbidden to
They
drive.
did not say it's not part of it. It's part.
Okay, it's part of the carriageway. Vero, ma. Vero.
Regina. Mommy do.
Attraversamento pedonale è una parte della carreggiata in cui è consentita la fermata, ma non la sosta di veicoli. È vero? No, sosta di veicoli. No, falso, ma. Non sosta di veicoli. Falso.
Queen.
Ok. Il attraversamento pedonale è una parte della carreggiata in cui i veicoli devono dare la precedenza ai pedoni che attraversano sull'apposito strisce. L'attraversamento pedonale è la parte della carreggiata, in cui i veicoli devono dare la precedenza ai pedoni. Vero?
Yesuba. Mommy Yesuba.
Yes, ma.
Ok, ma.
L'attraversamento pedonale è una parte della carreggiata sulla quale è vietata la sosta dei veicoli. Sì, è vero.
Comfort zone.
L'attraversamento pedonale viene segnato con le strisce bianche parallele, vero?
Another two people should come up. Where are those two people I should bring up now? So many again. Nobody is coming up again. No new people. Everybody they fear motorization. Mommy told me see I do this one.
L'attraversamento pedonale è una parte della carreggiata destinata al transito dei pedoni che attraversano, è vero.
Comfort zone.
L'attraversamento pedonale è una parte della carreggiata vieta al transito dei veicoli. Vero?
Falso.
Regina. Mama, why you know the mute? You can't steal another question. Mama, Regina.
I don't know, sir. Mommy, I don't know, sir, mute.
You know, say you good like this. Now you never go motorization. You no go motorization, you go show your power. You dey come show power for here. Comfort zone. Attraversamento pedonale is part of carriageway.
Transito, non è vieta.
And now you just wake up. Bravo. So we don't try. We don't do banking in Machapie di attraversamento pedonale. Let me do this last one for you. And I will cut it and put it in case of people who never understand 100%. Okay, I don't try today or deviate to. I do like almost 4, I mean 5. I can't still do this one 3. Make I clap for myself. Isola di traffico. Isola means island. Now, I will want you to understand this place very well. Isola is island. You dey hear one proverb where people go dey talk say no man is an island, no man is an island. You know why? Everybody gets a own paddy. That is why they talk say no man is an island. Everybody get who they talk to when is in distress. Okay? That is why they say no man is an island. You know, say island, now where people know they like to go at all. Island na desert. Now where it dey alone. You know, they see people where go there at all. If you go there now hungry, go wipe you or write more cord for head. No water, no food. If you carry food for hand, you go that food go finish. Ogunlaye. Thank you. Not that money. You understand? See people where they go Libya now, they go pass island. That time, these days now, they say it don't even dey easy. For inside island, only you go dey waka for desert. Where no water, nothing. Everywhere dry, everywhere tight, hungry day. That is why they call them traffic island. Now where car no dey go at all, in just dey alone. Car no dey go there before, because if car go there, hungry go catch the person wey carry the car. Because if camera carry you, that money wey you take suppose take chop that month, you go take and pay for motor. Most especially you can't go there, accident can't happen during that time. You are finished. So that is why they call it traffic island. Let me show you. Now be this. Isola the traffic. This place now, they no need car on top. No be say you go dey drive dey go. Whether your pikin one piece, you come park for here, piece, carry pikin piece. Or see as I dey laugh myself. I don't go bust myself for here. Now me when we say my husband go dey drive, my pikin go dey say, I want to piece. Oh yeah, park. Make we find where we want park. Put me the pikin piece, I beg. Okay, so this is traffic island. You cannot transit on top. You cannot ferma on top. You cannot park on top. Okay? That's why they call it island. You cannot, this place too, na traffic island. You fit go on top of this place. No, you no fit. Let us read everything it says. Una parte della carreggiata. Na on top, inside that carriageway, e dey. Na family of carriageway. Na your husband family. You know, say your husband na him be carreggiata. Okay, now your husband family. You know that your sister-in-law will be saying na crazy person. Now it be Isola the traffic now. But I tell una family small. Some sister-in-law, some brother-in-law, some mother-in-law, in-law, they get craze for head. As they get craze for head, you say you no go do your own, go meet them. you can't turn them to Isola di Traffico. No go area. Okay? So he said it is part of the carriageway. It's part of your husband. Okay? E quindi della strada and also the family of strada. Evidenziata. They show the evidence. They designer mediante zebrature di colore bianco with a zebra color white. Okay? You see zebra color. You know, say white and black, now it be zebra. Make I show you zebra for years. Some people no still go school like me. They don't know the meaning of zebra. See zebra. You see the animal where they call zebra. Now so they take draw attraversamento pedonale. Okay? Now still the same way they take draw Isola di Traffico. You see zebra. That is the animal that they call zebra. That's why they call it zebra crossing. Okay? See you see, say this color now, it match that animal where I show you. Okay? So the evidenziata, the way you go take Noam na zebra color white. Okay, white and black. Double. È delimitata. It is designed da strisce bianche by white lines continue, that is continuous. Di raccordo, where can they curve. You see this sign now? Raccordo, it dey curve, you know they straight like that. You see it bendy, raccordo. They can't put am. You see now so they take do Isola di Traffico. Serve, he get work he say he own work a facilitare, na to facilitate, to make it easy. L'incanalamento, to canalize. You see to channel. You where they go, you don't channel you, now here you go pass. You where they go like this, now here you go there. If you want turn, you go turn like this. You see in the channel vehicle, as it dey Isola like that, as it dey useless like that, now so it still get work where they do. Okay? Now just make you no come in own side. No come this middle, but you go fit do it, maneuver for the side of it, beside it, but no come this middle. They help you to channel where your vehicle they go. You know why? So that vehicle where they come like this and vehicle where they go like this, they no go come meet for this point, jam each other. Una know say this island separates una. Okay? Your tire must be here, your tire must be here. You where they go like this, you where they go like this. You see it dey middle. It dey settle quarrel for una. Now, facilitare, it make it easy in canalamento, channeling the vehicle or vehicles verso towards various directions. It serves to make it easy the channeling of vehicles towards various directions. They go ask you, Isola di Traffico serve a facilitare incanalamento del veicoli verso varie direzioni. Vero, ok? Può essere, it can be, a raso. A raso means it go dey level with ground. This one, it dey level with ground, on the same level with the floor, okay? A raso means the same level with the floor. Dipinta, designed, sul piano stradale, on top of the flat floor. You see as they decide that one. Or in rilievo. Rilievo means to make it higher. Okay? Rialzata. Raised. Okay? Let me show you the one that is raised. This one. You see, say they use cement, say raise them. Come off for ground. This is rialzata. Okay? Rilievo, rialzata. Say rialzata if they raise them. If raised, è preceduta. You go see am before. Da zebratura di colore bianco. You go see zebra color white. You see am? Zebra design of color white. See am? If it is raised, you see this zebra color white. You see am? You see am? As e dey raised, you see the zebra color white. I don't know where bad odor they come from. The odor bad, no be small. You see am? Rialzata. Your car cannot go to this place. This is Isola de Traffico. You see the zebratura di colore bianco. Okay. Su di esa. Su on top of it. It. Su na on top of it. Esa means it. 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 On top of it. È vietato. It is forbidden. Mashari. For you to drive. E sostare or park. You cannot park and park. You cannot park there. You cannot drive on top of it. Okay? Let us go to the quiz. I don't try you. This is the last this thing for today. My mouth don't dry. Anyway, that Yoruba song where they say, Enugbe mo ní ìdí owó, ẹ dákun ẹ ṣàánú ayé mi o. Enugbe. Ogunlaye, thank you, sir. Code. Code don't try today. You don't overgive me money today. If I go withdraw the money, in fact, I dey go the wetin that they call am. The vacation where I no go, not to go with the money where Code don't spend me today. Now this is Isola. No be this so. Isola the Traffico. See these children, because my husband no dey house and they know say me I no get power. Now be this, now 21 questions, okay? Isola the Traffico is 21 questions. Isola the Traffico is 21 questions. This now let's go to the quiz. Tommy C, you are the first. Mama, do 2. We have 20-something questions. I'm not going to beg people to come up because I don't tire. 21 questions. Do 2, mommy.
L'isola di traffico adesso è costituita da zebrature di colore bianco, è vero.
If you concentrate, read with me, you will pass on. Why not? Oh, yeah.
L'isola di traffico è delimitata da strisce bianche continue. È delimitata da strisce bianche continue. Falso.
Why will be falso? Is this not strisce continuous? Is it not continuous line?
È vero, sorry, è vero.
Is this not continuous line? You know they cut and small.
È vero.
No, they confuse, okay? One fast road. Another person should come up.
L'isola di traffico è una parte della strada sulla quale è consentito il transito dei ciclomotori. Falso. Non è consentito il transito.
If they allow transit of ciclomotori, falso. Yeah, I do the second one, Daddy. People don't want to come up again. After these people do their two, I don't see
L'isola
person
di
no come up. I
traffico
go
è
end the life.
yeah.
You know, possible why I teach you now no come up. Why? Oh yeah, do this one, Daddy.
L'isola di traffico è un'area pedonale urbana.
Welcome.
È falso.
Welcome, Mama. È falso. Oh yeah, mute. When it's your turn, you can talk, I beg. Oh yeah, Mommy Regina Gold.
Isola di traffico. Ok. Isola di traffico.
Hey, Grandpa. I dey come. Grandpa, mo máa pè yín. Mo ti wà live, máa ṣe tán sìn. Mo ti ṣe tán gan lẹ pè yín. Ṣé gbọ́ bàbá mi? Ẹ káàsán bàbá mi. Yes, sir. Oh yeah.
Ok. Isola di traffico corrisponde in Galleria di Centro Sotureco della
Isola di traffico
città.
corrisponde in genere al centro storico della città.
Città.
We
Falso.
read this thing.
No.
We don't do the second one.
No, not one. Don't do one.
Yeah, I do the second one, Mama.
Isola di
Don't
traffico.
try your own, no verse.
Ok. Isola di traffico. Se relazione.
Rialzata. Rialzata means is raised.
Rialzata è preceduta da zebratura di colore bianco. Vero.
Pace. Abi patchy. I don't know whether na Italian won't take column or na English. For English, it is space. Which one is correct, Mama?
Non me ne frega. Basta.
Eh?
I said don't do this.
Now, our daddy be this.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, this man love his wife. Now only women that they see they carry husband put for head like this. Mommy is beautiful.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
See Chubby Bay. Mama, please, when are we starting class today? This woman won't find me. I will go to another class after this one. This one that they do no big class. No be to cry with that one. This woman don't finish me. Chubby Bay, now today I don't say you be bad person. I don't mark you put for person way bad for this. For my side. No just near me again. But daddy pace. Oh yeah, patchy. Oh yeah, read.
The first one è falso. L'isola di traffico è posto al di fuori della strada. Falso.
This woman don't like me. You want to squeeze life out of me. Oh yeah, do the second one.
Vero.
Read down now. You go read down.
L'isola di traffico.
Oh. Daddy, you know see that love hearts? Oh, the woman love me too much. Thank you. Wow. Oh yeah, Daddy.
L'isola di traffico viene evidenziata mediante un'apertura di colore bianco. Vero.
Because I explained it that zebra, white line.
Yes, ma'am.
Ọmọge Awẹ́lẹ́wà. Hey, still name Ọmọge. You be Yoruba?
No.
Why you can't be Ọmọge?
I be Bini.
You don't marry?
No.
Oh, no wonder. You should be Ọmọge, but if you don't marry, come on that thing. Oh, yeah, read, mommy.
Okay. But I just didn't I never too they understand though, but I
Oh, yeah,
dey-
come. But you were here when I read it.
Yes, yeah, when you were explaining it, I was here.
Oh, yeah, read.
Okay. Isola di traffico felicita la salita e la discesa di passeggeri di tram, flibus e autobus. No, fasto.
What is? Is not for coming down and getting the bus.
Climb, yeah.
Yeah, do this one.
Isola di traffico serve ha sempre la carreggiata della Isola di traffico serve a sempre separare la carreggiata della separate from carreggiata fasto, no, fasto.
Instead that they use Isola di Traffico to separate.
They separate
carreggiata from
no,
Vic and
fasto.
Franchina. Oh yeah, mute.
Okay.
You don't do two, Abi. Oh yeah, mommy told me see, do two. I need fresh people. If not, I'll go end the live.
L'isola di traffico è una pistola per
No, there's a mistake.
l'isola
I
di
need
traffico
people.
è una pistola per effettuare invasion di marcia è falso. Falso, mamma.
To do inversione di marcia, that is U-turn, okay? È falso.
L'isola di traffico serve per la fermata dei veicoli è falso.
No new people want come up again, Abi. If these people don't answer their two questions finish, I go end them. Becky, mommy Becky, Anastasia.
Yes, mommy. Good evening, ma.
Good evening, mama. Welcome, ma. Oya do.
Isola di traffico, una piazzola di sosta per veicoli. Falso.
It's not a parking space for vehicle.
No. Isola di traffico è una parte di strada sulla quale vietato è transito di veicoli, motocicli. È vero.
Sulla quale, on top which it is forbidding the transit of vehicle. I want couple fast. Okay, have you done two? Mommy,
Yes,
Regina,
yes.
where go? Nobody wants to come up again.
Isola di traffico è la parte della città con maggiore traffico. Falso.
Because there's no traffic that is allowed here.
Yes, mommy.
Yeah, do the second one, mama.
L'isola di traffico è una zona destinata alla mommy, what's this one?
Parcheggio.
Parqueggio, sorry, parqueggio della veicoli. Falso.
Zeno. Nobody wants to come in again. Zeno. Zeno stars. Unmute, sir. Oh, ma. People wey dey down, una dey do comment section warriors, but to come up, una no wan come up. Zeno, yeah, I dey hear you, sir.
Ok. L'isola di traffico può essere a raso in rilievo rialzata.
Oh, tu buono. Tu mante.
Mano.
Oh, chi buono. Tu devi mano, io.
Falso.
Ho detto stai qui devi stare.
Falso.
Può essere raso or in rilievo. Why go be fast? Na im name be that now. He say it can be raso.
High
the
or
same
low?
weight now. Raso means on the same level with the floor. Okay? This is what it means when he say raso. You see, say now on the same level with the floor. Rialzato, now it be this one. You see as they raise am. They use cement to raise.
Yes.
It can be raised or raso. È vero, okay?
Okay. Vero. Okay.
Oh yeah.
Thank you.
You
I
do
should go
the
again.
one. Yes, sir.
Ok. L'isola di traffico può essere percorsa solo da taxi e dagli autobus urbani. Falso.
Falso, because this is island. A car, vehicle, bicycle, everything, they no fit go there. You see this thing where they see for you? It is wrong, okay? It's wrong, okay? We cannot do on top.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir. Belia.
Hello.
Hello,
mama. Ẹ wo mo ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ ní omi tí mo kankan mo kọ̀ wá sókè ni o.
Make I laugh you. You know what's making me laugh you? I just see hello. You better say you want come quarrel me, sir. I can't dey fear o. Okay, yummy. Ṣé ẹ fẹ́ join class pẹ̀lú wa ni?
Mo fẹ́ join ni.
Ó yá, ẹ write mi ẹ ní WhatsApp number mi mà.
Okay, kò sí wàhálà. Ẹ jẹ́ n bọ́lẹ̀.
Ṣé ní WhatsApp number mi?
Mo ní, mo ti kọ́lẹ̀.
Ẹ write mi kẹ́ sọ pé ẹ̀yin ni.
Okay, kò sí wàhálà.
Ẹ̀yin ni Yorùbá tẹ́ bá mi sọ̀rọ̀ lórí TikTok.
All right, mama.
Màá lè add. Màá lè máa send ṣe bẹ́ fẹ́ sanwó join class ni.
Yes.
Okay, kò sí ṣòro ẹ drop tẹ́ bá ti join class kò sí ṣòro.
All right, ma, I take care.
Ẹ máa pick up ẹ máa worry a ṣe máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ ni àti bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti bẹ̀rẹ̀.
All right.
Yes ma.
Ó dàbọ̀ ma.
Ẹ ṣeun ma, ó dàbọ̀. Ṣé hello ẹjọ́ mo ṣe fẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ní omi tí mò ń kankan.
The same thing náà ni ẹjọ́ but mo wà nígbà gbà tẹ́ explain yẹn.
Dádì Ògúnláyé okay. Ẹ right ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ti rí nọ́mbà mi yẹn.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ mo ti ráàtì yín WhatsApp.
Okay, ẹ ṣeun máa hàdí ẹ right orúkọ ló pè ní gangan l'Ògúnláyé so that màá lè rántí.
Okay ma. All right, ẹ jẹ́ kí n kà ẹ jẹ́ kí n gbìyànjú eléyìí.
Ó yá ìgbìyànjú.
Isola di traffico serve per il trasisto del pedoni. Falso. Ok. Isola di traffico serve il facilitare incanallamento del veicolo verso
varie
direzioni. Vero
ni ó máa ń channel àwọn ọkọ̀ sí various directions. Vero ni. That is a concentrate. Ó yẹ ṣe yàn kan ilé ìsìn àwọn tó wá sí these people, these are our mothers wey dey up, they don answer question tire for here today. Ó yá Daddy Ògúnláyé na you get am, do am chop am.
Okay. Isola di traffico è una parte della strada sulla quale è vietato il transito del veicolo. Vero. Ó wà pẹ̀lú road.
It's part of the road. Where
It's
we
part
say
of the road. So, okay, ma.
It forbid transiting of vehicles.
Okay, ma.
You don't want vehicles to come and meet it, okay?
All right, ma.
Okay, now I'll be expecting your message.
All right,
After
ma.
the payment. It's better. It's kukuma better. Make you come join class of money so that I will add you once and for all.
Okay, ma. Okay, ma. Okay,
Yes,
ma.
sir.
I'm to write now. What's up, man? All right, will come.
Okay, sir. Bye-bye,
Right,
sir.
ma.
Thank you.
Thank
I
you.
appreciate everyone. I don't tire, okay? I don't tire today. I don't tire. We don't get everything, okay? I'm tired. So, I will go and cut this video. You where you want go watch them again. It's 30 euro. 30 euro monthly, mama. We never even start official class. Your money that you pay now, it will start reading on the day when we start official class. It's not yet reading, okay? You just make down payments so that when that day comes, I go know my students. I go know who know my students. Then we go do meeting. We'll talk about how the class will go, how we can help each other to do better, okay? Now 3 times a week we go, they have class. The other days is for quiz, okay?
Okay, man. Okay, man.
No be say na fast. Na slow and steady win the race. But we go dey see. Immediately we wake our brain finish like this, we go come the hot. No be say na this one go start, that one go start. So if you want join us for middle, that's why I'm trying to gather people now. If you want join us for middle, na your fault then. So, but you can, if you are somebody that is very sharp, okay? If you are somebody that is very sharp, you can join us also in the middle. But it is good for people to register now so that we can start class together. I love you all so much. Bye. Thank you so much. Ciao.
Thank you, ma.
Ciao.
Bye, ma. Ciao.
Bye.